Looking for an electric bike that's lightweight, reliable, and built for both city streets and weekend adventures? Meet the KAISDA K201, a versatile e-bike designed specifically for adult women who want comfort, style, and performance in one smart package. At its core, the K201 features a 250-watt rear hub brushless motor, delivering smooth, quiet power with a top speed of 25 km per hour. With 40 Nm of torque, it handles inclines and city traffic with ease. Perfect for commutes, errands, or casual rides through the park. Rear-wheel drive also means better traction and less maintenance, giving you a more stable and confident ride on all surfaces. Powering your journey is a 36V 10.4Ah lithium battery, supplied by DMEGC, a Fortune 500 battery manufacturer. This high-capacity battery gives you up to 90 km of range in electric mode, so you can go farther without worrying about the next charge. The battery is lockable for added security, yet easily removable when it's time to take it inside for charging. All of your ride information is right at your fingertips thanks to the color LCD display. With a high-brightness screen and intuitive layout, it's easy to check speed, battery level, distance traveled, and more, even under direct sunlight. Plus, a built-in USB charging port means you can keep your phone powered up while on the go. Built for both urban roads and light trails, the K201 rolls on 20 by 3.0-inch CST tires with dual compound rubber and EPS puncture protection. Whether you're riding on pavement, gravel, or a bit of snow, these tires provide grip, stability, and confidence, even when the terrain gets unpredictable. When the sun goes down, you're still covered. The STVZO-compliant headlight and taillight system ensures optimal visibility, illuminating the road ahead while also keeping you seen by others. The light diffusion is broad and powerful, perfect for early morning commutes or evening rides around the city. For added control and safety, the Tektro mechanical disc brakes feature 180mm rotors, giving you strong and responsive stopping power in all conditions, rain or shine. And thanks to the front suspension fork with a lockout feature, you can switch between a smooth ride on bumpy roads or a firmer feel for efficient flat road cruising. With its thoughtful design, powerful features, and stylish build, the KAISDA K201 is more than just a bike, it's your daily companion. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or exploring new neighborhoods, this e-bike is designed to move with your lifestyle. So if you're ready to ride smarter, safer, and farther, the KAISDA K201 is ready for you.